बॉक्स ऑफिस पे धूम मचाने के बाद अब ऋतिक खेल के मैदान पे उतरने वाले हैं बहुत जल्द. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई मस्ट कंग्रेचुलेट यू ऑन अ न्यू वेंचर. बहुत जल्द यू आर गोइंग टू टेक ओवर द स्पोर्टिंग फील्ड आल्सो.
आई थिंक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई एम सो एम्पावर्ड एंड वेरी थैंकफुल to the Star Network, Neeta Ambani, to have a vision where they're taking sports to another level. Sports for me, I think, is the best way to build your character. You know, our children, whatever I do in my life, I think of my children first, and it's very important to empower our children, the generation, with sports, because it builds your discipline, it builds the team spirit. It teaches you how to perform under pressure. So ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं, they are all very important for our society to evolve into strong, you know, a society full of strong individuals. I believe in sports because this is the only place, I think, where there is where there is competition. It's healthy competition. और competition के ज़रिए you get other people to push you to excel in life. So that kind of competition is something that I really believe in, and I'm honored to be a part of this. Yes.
Absolutely. And you are also officially now the co-owner of Pune City team.
Yes.
So how did the whole thing happen actually, if you could just tell us? I think it happened very quickly, but last minute decisions हुए हैं कुछ तो.
Kapil and Dheeraj have been friends, and when I got the opportunity, I was happy, I was honored. And it's something, as I said, I believe in it. And honor, passion and glory.
बिल्कुल. और पुणे के काफ़ी लोग आपके साथ साथ वो मैचेस भी देखने वाले हैं. They're going to root for the Pune team also. तो पुणे आई तो कितना मज़ा आने वाला है इस बार. कुछ और डिटेल्स में, it's too quick, but then briefing से कुछ पता चला है क्या स्ट्रैटेजीज रहने वाली हैं इस टीम के लिए, कौन प्लेयर्स हैं, क्या है?
Well, इस वक्त तो the entire team has been training in Florence. तो वहाँ के जो we've got the best coach, and they've been working really hard. Or I'm very looking forward to being a part of that spirit. और पुणे में जब हम खेलेंगे तो आप देखिए क्या होता है. It's going to be another kind of bang.
Absolutely, totally, completely different kind of bang. But also इसकी news थी कि co-owner first सलमान थे इसके, but then for various reasons he was he had to leave the team. So do you know क्या हुआ, what happened?
Frankly, I don't. I have no idea about that. But I'm just happy to be where I am right now with my team.
Absolutely.
FC Pune City.
बिल्कुल. और there's one more thing also. When this Indian Football League was announced, people were actually very happy कि at least cricket के अलावा there are different sports जिसमें इंडिया में focus shift हो रहा है. जैसे अभिषेक has also come up with the कबड्डी लीग. तो ये फुटबॉल है, and there are other sports also जिस पे focus जा रहा है क्रिकेट के अलावा. तो how much do you think कि अच्छा change है for students and for youngsters जो sports में जाना चाहते हैं?
It's not just about change. Variety is very important in life. There are so many kinds of talents. There are so many opportunities, and we need to create platforms for each one of them, so that our children have can follow their passions and know कि उनके लिए एक रास्ता है, एक platform है where they can excel, where they can make a life for themselves and follow their dreams. It is very important कि हम एक कहावत है कि kill the monotony before it murders the enthusiasm. ये हमेशा मैं बोलता रहता हूँ. तो एक ही चीज़ अगर आप करते गए लाइफ में, या एक ही चीज़ के पीछे अगर आप you're passionate about watching just one thing, it'll be a time in your life when you'll get sick of it. Absolutely. You have to have variety. There are so many
options होने चाहिए.
Options are very important in life, and here we are promoting and empowering football, and I think it's going to be one of the most incredible platforms, and will entertain the people, empower them, and build more passion in the country. And football's it's a man's game. When they say be a man, it's a man's game. So here we are going to build the country full of
Football players.
strong men.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how good are you at football? If you've ever played football, and हमने आपको actually कभी शायद देखा नहीं है football खेलते हुए, लेकिन if you have to rate yourself, how good are you?
मैं खेलता था बहुत बचपन में, लेकिन फिर जब से मेरे घुटनों में there was, you know, I get these shin splints,
Okay.
उनको बोलते हैं. So I stopped playing for a long time. लेकिन अब
You're going to be back in the field.
मौका मुझे मिल रहा है. I'm gonna go back from this interview and buy my football and start practicing with my two boys.
वो एक्चुअली जूम को कहीं कैप्चर करना पड़ेगा ऋतिक को. ऑल्सो मूविंग ऑन, बिग बॉस में आप गए थे बैंग बैंग को प्रमोट करने और
Not to promote.
नॉट टू प्रमोट, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स डन प्रमोटिंग, यस, सेलिब्रेट एक्चुअली आई शुड चूज, यस.
लोग जाते हैं to promote
Promote,
on
yes.
these TV shows. मेरा जो आइडिया था वो ये था कि if I go to celebrate. So that was it was more fun. और मजा आया.
Last thing, you know, the whole euphoria which has surrounded Bang Bang and the success it's got worldwide, it's still sinking in, or you're just too elated, the kind of success and love you've got from your fans?
Well, I'm full of gratitude, but the journey's done. Now it's the past. Now we move forward.
Take on to the new project now.
Yeah, the next challenge.
Thank you so much, Hrithik. It was very nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Camera person Aditya के साथ एलिका श्रीवास्तव, Zoom, Mumbai.